Let's see what the homie got up, man. Hooptie problems with the homie, man. See what this nigga got up, man. Not a goddamn thing. Look at this nigga, man. On my mama, man. I can't make this shit up. On my motherfucking dead homies, man. You see this nigga, man? Yo, don't be like this nigga here, man. This nigga. Hold on, let me get a place to park real quick, man. Y'all see this nigga, man? Come on, man. Dead homies, bro. You feel me? Fuck this nigga looking at, bro. Goofy ass nigga, we ain't looking at you, bro. Goofy ass nigga, bro. Fuck this nigga, bro. Hey! Fuck you got up.
Man.
Not a goddamn thing, nigga. Fuck you got up, huh?
Man. Oil leak.
Shit, huh?
Oil leak, man. Hey, man, I need some cash up, man. Please help me, man. I'm stranded, man.
You don't get a motherfucking welfare EBT.
I need a welfare, man. Y'all help me out, man. A man struggling, man.
A Kroger coupon or
Man,
something.
I'm struggling.
Or something.
Hey, man, y'all cash at me, man. It's under Lil Rah 56, man.
Man, what you
Miguel
got
Hernandez.
going on, though, man? I know you got a flashlight or something so we can see up in this motherfucker, man. God damn it. On my mama, though. Come on, man. And hold on. What we getting? What you just want to get over here?
I just need oil.
You just need oil.
So tomorrow, he gonna pressure wash it. The nigga that did,
Yeah.
he gonna pressure wash it and check where it's leaking from.
Okay. But you know, we can go to Walmart for the oil, though.
All right.
These hoes expensive. Like $10 more over here.
Okay.
You want to leave your car here? When we go to Walmart?
Yeah.
Man, why you come over here, bro?
Oh, this was it.
That shit tripping, man. See how much this shit costs? This shit taxing over here, bro. It's taxing over here, bro. $37.99.
What's that one, like 25?
Yeah, like 25, like I said.
Okay.
Come on, bro. You bullshitting.
What's that one?
You bullshitting. You wanna drive your car?
Nah.
With no oil?
Hell no.
Goofy ass. Goofy
Hey,
ass.
you get a plate real quick?
What I need to see though?
I'm about to tell you where you take it.
You want to bring it back?
You don't need it, cause I'm not gonna fix nothing.
Nah, no, I'm just showing you.
What you gonna show me? Goofy ass. Come on, bro. This nigga here. On my mama and dead homies. Where the oil leaking at?
Right there, the front. Supposedly it's a gasket.
Gasket?
A gasket hit.
You think that dude did it? Oh, you said you hit a pothole, right?
Nah, I think I hit a
You
bump.
hit a bump?
A bump.
Where
But
at?
he said, he told me, I called him. He said take it up there tomorrow.
You call who?
The mechanic that did this at the top.
Okay.
And he said take it over there. He gonna wash the bottom.
Yeah.
He gonna lift it up and see where the leak comes from.
You said you hit the oil pan out?
I don't think it's the oil pan. I think it's just because he said
It's something else?
yeah, it's something else. He said it might not be the oil because they would have been at the very bottom. I would have seen. They would have seen that, but they said it wasn't the oil pan.
Where's it leaking at though? You think it's right there?
Yeah,
In the
think,
center?
I think it's the center. I think it's a gasket.
All right, come on then.
All right. He said he's thinking it might be the crankshaft shit.
The what?
The crankshaft seal.
Oh shit.
Man, I need cash that, man. Y'all help me, man. I'm stranded. In Houston, Texas, man.
Alright.
I'm living out my car, man. I need help, man.
Shit, crazy shit. Real in the field,
It's
huh?
real, man. It struggles
Real street nigga problems, man.
Real street problem, man.
Already, though. You gotta say the nigga, though.
Man, I'm telling you,
Real
man.
street dude problems, huh?
Real street
Okay.
dude problem, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
On my mama.
My mama, man.
Already, G. Alright, let's go to Wally World.
Wally World.
But I don't think they gonna let us film in there, though.
Man, we gonna film anyway. Fuck the
On
road.
hood.
On the hood, man. On GP 56 shit, man.
Already.
Real street shit.
Already. Alright.